Am I why they are reporting it? Oh, do you know why are they reporting this beautiful? You see why I told you guys to be sharing? Sharing subdue all these threats. When you they share, they subdue them. You they share, you they click love, you they click love, you they share. Share it everywhere. Now me get your medicine, Jpac. Apam secret. 60% of your dating lifestyle on Omnaka. Abami anaka on Omnaka pam. Abam naka him doggy ke mesh. In our water. In our water why they dollar is make you pem and you really entered. That the before anytime mga bagi war maybe so kowalande because in there hama. I tell him no kata goku. I know myself. I don't know you. Come and swear if Ogechi knew you. When you carry my papa, where died on COVID, I never replied you. Even when I was doing content on social media, I did not know you. I did not reply you. Gebido. Na anye one day bo na aga olusuaga kwa lo sukeke. Ni ga shi nwoke puta mewa nka nwoke puta ano na mo onwe mu. I did not know you from Adam. My daddy and during COVID, at his vulnerable last day and time, no logo, you brought her to my father's picture. War. People always say, Ogechi, Njaka, they look for your. I did not. And don't hear me. Before me, I go explain them. So people are now, no. Now you look for my trouble peacefully. I was on my own. You carried my dead father. And when me hana bahara. Come to Guaragulu again. Akwena man roko. Aku Biafra. Kesa had the man. Akwa wi ihajula. Ebi ihajula to runde Biafra. Shikwale kwe ebono. Kema na onye mere jibu a lot of Biafrans. Yes. Oh, we had Jula Toranyaka. Ndibo shi. Mwonya hu barala gebe babuogi because onye bara gebe amangeno. Now would the person say, look at where you are hiding. It's not these people that carried my father's picture. You are my main problem. Because you are the one that went and brought it out. Post it on social media. Start giving it to Ken. Muna yana about war. Ken carried it. You brought it out on social media. Guys, because sharing this video, all him and report to guys. If you guys keep sharing, you subdue the reply. Share it all WhatsApp group, share it everywhere. Share it, share it, share it. What I go? Good. Get be domegene. Bupute my dead father. Also an akwanyere ugwu na ala Igbo. Also eji mana ndi Igbo that all uboshi amumo ge na uboshi amuru ke wudi 2 days he went in a war. You brought my father. You humiliated him. At his mpamu ngampamu puru oku no wege kuli oku na ya. My father lead yellow sumenyi. What their president, what their secretary. Go and ask your Su group na Anambra na America. He was their secretary before they made him the president. Ngampamu pana. Ega balia. Nani signature again make again when God graduate here no Buddha. Because he was a lecturer. You don't know my father. You did not know his words. You started insulting a man wrong because he chori ji agbamgbo. Amaro monyewo. Amaro onyenwo. You carried my dead father at his last dying age. Moment. COVID dilaralande bani bua muma aka. Manda mu ohuru. Manda ga mu amu. Igbo olara here. People died and they believe he got about vaccine. My father was one of them that refused to go and take vaccine. Because onaga church Christian economy. He was listening to the man here. Despite his education, he refused. Many people fell into such analysis. My father was the person that refused. About the COVID. Even my husband, he refused. What I go? He refused. A lot of people won through that period. Ya will not get a diminti. Yana denamma because of favorite and lawyer. My husband, that's my husband with people ndege because before you enter military no Buddha, you get with the people that's no Buddha. My father, any too, but after my father needed a credential, yeah, they did not require the second person. Yana my husband then amma. To my father gets a credential, yani no gruno Buddha check or you go chuku, chinya na military. Actually don't need a second person. Yalo go chuku na dena maruechi. Ya wouldn't know again my husband didn't explain the reason why this thing, because my husband is a medical doctor. Explain everything, go in details. My daddy refused. Well, long way, you did not know anything about the whole thing. You decided to carry my father to humiliate him. You brought out his picture, and you think you have peace in my hand. Even if woman and my father are in a problem, it's none of your business. It's my personal issue.